Ear. Is this thing on? Ooh. Y'all got scared, right? Ooh. The fuck am I doing? I'm in the dark. Trying to change my lights. Let me see. What can y'all see? Let's see what turned it on. Oh, look at that ugly ass yellow shit. How the fuck am I supposed to find anything with this yellow shit? But, you know, it's less strainful. It's less straining on the eyes when it's that color, right? As opposed to this bright ass shit, right? Well, at least it helps you find shit and your car looks cleaner. So that's what I'm doing right here. Bam! Bam! Let there be light. Mierda! Oh, this shit looks good, right? What you think? What you think? Damn, I even look sexy. Hold up. Mierda! Oh.
Disclaimer. I don't know why the hell I did that motion. I don't even smoke. I have no explanation. Anyway, back to the video.
Alright people, so now that we did the front lights, let's get some light in here. Bam, bam, bam. Now that we got that going, let's do this ugly ass, what I showed you before. You know, non-disturbing, but yet not as bright. What do you call this? The dome light? Or this would be the reading light? Yeah, let's change that up. Can y'all see? Can y'all see? All right. Good position. Let's leave that right there. Now, let's see if there's anything like the other one, which it looks like it is. I gotta get somewhere over here where the little things are. Or maybe I can just do it from this side. Nope, has to be the other side. But the trunk is in the way, or the tail light. Let me get that open. Could have just done it with my remote, but whatever. All right, let's get that out of the way. And who decides to do this type of stuff at night? Only me. Oh. I don't want to see you yet. Alright, there goes the old buddy old pal. There goes my keys. All belt. Oh. And new end. Pakata. Let's test it out. Whoa, there we go. Should turn on whenever the trunk is open. Perfect. That's all she wrote. Sorry if I spoke really low where maybe you couldn't hear me or something, but I'm the only idiot that decides to do this late at night. So, I was trying to avoid my neighbors not hearing me and wondering who the fuck I'm talking to or why am I making noise at this time of the night outside. But yeah, that was me changing it. Don't make fun of me if I seem like a noob while I'm doing it. I'm just really careful with everything that I change out. I don't want to break anything. Where you did see that the old bulb over here kind of came apart, but again, it's really old. I haven't changed this since I got the car. The past owner probably never changed it. So, you know, I even found like a couple spiders in one of the other ones. I don't know how the hell the spider got in there. Like, you should have seen how small the little space was, but I guess they go anywhere, bro. Like, so yeah, this was me just upgrading my bulbs. I'm gonna do little things here and there. If y'all like hearing me talk shit, and you know, I try not to curse a lot. Like, I'm doing it because I'm talking to you guys, and you guys are probably car guys or inquiring about how to change a light bulb. You know, don't feel like a noob. I went through the shit. And, you know, the first time I did it, and it was like, oh, damn, I don't want to mess something up. My car's going to catch on fire. No, not really, it's going to catch on fire. But, you know, you want to know how to take the things apart without breaking them. If you're like me, perfectionist, you don't want to break not even a little tab. You know, that's how I am. So, you know, if this was informative for you, great. And if it was just fun and you guys like to see me talk crap and change lights, and you like CRVs and you like seeing some progress, this is me with some white lights. Hey. And hey. So yeah, the next thing I'll probably do is, I don't know, I gotta do telling me they can get me some speakers. I might do the speakers. Or maybe tomorrow I will paint my valve cover. I appreciate you guys watching the video. If you liked it, give me a thumbs up. If you didn't like it, let me know why you didn't like it. I'll probably make better ones for you. I'll try to improve somehow. There's just one of the first, possibly many, depending how many people enjoy it. Or I might just do it for myself. You know, I wanna make kind of like a story how my car comes along. I might upgrade the engine whenever this one starts dying. I got a couple plans for it. Oh, sorry, you want to look at my eyes while I'm talking? Yeah, I got some cute eyes. No, I'm just playing. But yeah, man, men and girls, if you liked the video, just let me know what you liked. If you didn't like it, let me know what you didn't like. All right, and thanks for watching. I'll talk to you soon on the next video.